Good day, everyone. This afternoon, we will talk about portraits and natures. So, portraits is a picture of something or someone which describes his or her. It can be face of a beautiful girl or an old man. On the other hand, portrait refers to an image that taller than it is wide. It means portrait is a painting, photograph, sculpture, or other artistic representation of a person. So, portraits. So, what comes into our mind when we heard portraits? So, there's a lot of definition about portrait. It could be paintings or sculptures, or maybe it could be a photograph, or maybe an artistic representation of a person. So, portrait is not just merely taking photos of random people. So, the purpose of portrait is to tell a story with the pictures. So ang layunin daw ng portraits ay magkwento sa pamamagitan ng larawan. So, portrait is a story. A story daw ang portrait. So, a story of who the person really was. A story of life, of his life, or a story of emotion, and so on. And also, portrait was about more than likeness. It spoke the status of position. So, in addition, portraits generally took a long time to paint. So, ang portrait daw is, it took time to paint. So, it took many months or hour or a year before the portrait mahuman. And the subject would commonly have to sit for hours or days. So, ang paggawa daw ng portrait bilang isang oras, upo ka lang sa isang upuan, magpipinta, at matatapos mo din ito ng isang oras. Hindi po. Ang paggawa ng portrait or painting, it took hours or days before it done. Example of portrait is Mona Lisa painting by Leonardo da Vinci. In 1517, Leonardo da Vinci began painting in 1503 to 1504 in Florence, Italy. It took 4 years to finish his work. And now, let's talk about nature. Nature focus view or interpretation of specific nature elements. It is equivalent to the natural world, physical universe, material world, or material universe. Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world and also to life in general. So, nature is everywhere. Whether you are out in the backyard with the kids, the park, the beach, or even just a sidewalk, there is nature around us. And with nature, everyone can express their creativity because through nature, they learn to classify and order all important parts of developing early skills. Thank you.